Okay, the next thing we're going to talk about is percent change. So if you are reading a problem and you see or hear percent increase, percent decrease, or percent change, we are going to use this setup right down here to solve for this missing percent that we're going to call x. So let's try a problem. Okay, first things first, I'm going to read it. The price of a video game system was $599. The price decreased to $259. What is the percent decrease? That tells you what to do. And then answer to the nearest whole percentage. We're going to round. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set up everything in my calculator. So I put a parentheses, you got to have them. Big B minus S, which is the biggest number minus the smallest number. And you divide that by original, whatever came first. Then you're going to equal x divided by 100. Okay? Now, this is just how I set it up. And I put it in my calculator so that I don't make mistakes when I'm putting in my numbers. So obviously, the biggest number is 599. The smallest number is 259. And I have that ready to go. And I divide by the original. What came first? Well, when you look, the $5.99 was the original price, so that came first. Then equals x divided by 100. So I'm going to multiply this, cross multiply it the same way I did the unit over unit. I look for the numbers. So this numerator and this denominator are diagonal from each other. So they're what I'm going to multiply first. The big mistake I see people make here is they don't use the parentheses and you need them. So don't forget the parentheses. Then you, just like unit over unit, you divide by the number that is diagonal from your variable. And that tells you that there has been and we're going to round to the nearest whole percentage, 57% decrease in the price. If you follow this pattern for these, you will get them right every single time. I promise you that. All right, you've got this. We'll see you soon.